Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the 2025 KTM 390 Enduro R bike that's built to conquer everything from rocky trails to city streets without breaking a sweat. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Enduro R is a 398.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine pumping out around 45 horsepower and 39 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and a slipper or assist clutch for smooth shifting, plus optional quickshifter plus for those lightning-fast gear changes. The ride-by-wire system ensures crisp throttle response whether you're crawling through technical sections or blasting down open roads. Suspension and off-road capability. KTM has equipped the bike with serious off-road suspension. You get a WP Apex $43 million fork up front with 230 millimeters of travel, and a WP Apex monoshock at the rear with the same travel. Both ends are fully adjustable so you can fine-tune your setup for your riding style. With 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels wrapped in Metzeler Karoo 4 tires, grip and stability on loose terrain are never in question. Brakes and rider aids. Stopping power comes from Biber disc brakes 285 mm at the front, 240 mm at the rear, backed by Bosch dual-channel ABS with an off-road mode. You can even switch off the rear ABS for full control on technical trails. The bike also comes with 2 ride modes, street and off-road, plus traction control to keep you safe in slippery conditions. Design and dimensions. Weighing in at just 159 kilograms dry, the Enduro R is lightweight for its category. It boasts a tall 890 mm seat height and a massive 272 mm of ground clearance, giving it unbeatable off-road geometry. The aggressive bodywork, slim fuel tank, and LED lighting give it that unmistakable KTM rally look. Fuel capacity is 9 liters, enough for long trail sessions without too many pit stops. Final thoughts. The 2025 KTM 390 Enduro R is the ultimate middleweight adventure bike for riders who demand versatility. It's light, powerful, and loaded with tech, making it perfect for both hardcore trail riding and everyday commuting. If you want one bike to do it all, this could be it. Like, share, subscribe to Turbo Rider for more honest and exciting bike reviews.